Ready for a story of innovation, ambition, and smashing success? Let's dive into Vivo's rise to fame. It all kicked off in 2009 when Vivo was born under the BBK Electronics umbrella. They started with a bang, focusing on superior sound and camera quality. In 2012, they wowed the world with the first hi-fi audio smartphone. Fast forward to 2015, and Vivo was already pushing boundaries with the X20 Plus, featuring an in-display fingerprint scanner. Game changer, right? Vivo didn't stop there. They expanded beyond China, making waves in India and Southeast Asia. Sponsoring the Indian Premier League, genius move. By 2020, Vivo had cemented its place as a global tech giant, offering feature-rich, affordable phones. From stellar cameras to 5G, they had it all. And now, Vivo's looking ahead, venturing into foldable phones and advanced AI. Their journey is a testament to innovation and knowing what users want. Stay tuned because Vivo's story is far from over. Who knows what's next?